This is the Mossy Oak Mini Folding Pocket Knife. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for a review, but the opinions in this video are my own. It measures about 6 inches long with about a 2-inch blade, and it came packaged in this simple cardboard box. It has a nice ergonomic grip on the handle here, and the handle is made from G10. This is the brown style. It kind of looks like wood, but you can get it in a few other styles. It is a little bit short here, but still pretty comfortable. And I guess you can also hold it up here a little bit more, and that gives a little bit better grip. Just don't push down too hard with your thumb. And it does also have a pocket clip on the other side here. But anyway, this is kind of a little EDC knife, so it has a few other special features. On the back there is a glass breaker, there's also a bottle opener right here, and then on the actual knife blade there is a rope cutter. The blade is made from stainless steel, and it has what they call a stone washed finish. Looks pretty cool, kind of rustic. Goes really well with the wooden handle, looks pretty cool. And the opener on here is just a thumb hole, so you can open it up with one hand. It kind of locks into place, and it uses a linear lock, so to fold it back up you just push that out of the way and then you can fold it up. And this is a pretty lightweight knife. It weighs just about 3.5 ounces. And doing a quick paper test here, it is a little bit difficult because it's such a small blade. Definitely not the sharpest knife ever. It doesn't quite pass the paper test. But yeah, overall I'd say it's a decent small folding pocket knife. It's nice and lightweight. It has a pretty comfortable ergonomic grip. It's nothing too special, definitely not the sharpest, but it looks pretty cool, and it does have some pretty helpful tools on it that make it pretty good for everyday carry.